This video is on a series of Focal speakers that is not very well known, but in our opinion is a perfect fit for many home theater and music applications. They are called the 300 on-wall series, and there are only two models. These cool speakers have flown under the radar, but we hope after you watch this video, you'll understand the variety of needs that they can fill to help you build an immersive home theater or stealth music system. There are only two models in the 300 on-wall series like we said, and both are designed to be mounted on a wall as the name implies. Alternatively, either one can be mounted to a neat-looking Focal floor stand designed specifically for them. These slim speakers would typically be vertically mounted, or you can turn one horizontally for a center channel. Now the fit and finish are fantastic in typical Focal fashion, and the drivers themselves are made at their factory right in France. They come in two color choices, white gloss and satin black. Now these offer two really good options for almost all of these cool speakers' possible uses. Now the two models are the 301 and the 302. Before we get into the tech both of these speakers share, we want to discuss why we think these two models are a good fit for so many applications. With their slim profile, one obvious choice for these would be to have a pair mounted on either side of a flat panel TV with one mounted horizontally either above or below for a great start to a surround sound system. At around 3 inches deep, they might be deeper than the latest slim flat panel TVs, even with their mount, which means you would run into some risk of the picture reflecting off the sides of a gloss cabinet. This is where the satin black would probably be the best choice. Or you could get a TV mount you could pull out just enough to be flush with the speakers to avoid any reflections and use either color. The second way to use either the 301 or 302 would be for a somewhat stealthy 2-channel audio system. These sound like true Focal high-end speakers, and especially when paired with a fast subwoofer, this combo can make a nice 2-channel system that takes up minimal floor space. But the sleeper part about the 301 and 302 is the possible uses for bed layer surround sound speakers. Focal makes 6 different lines of in-room loudspeakers, but for some reason, they have not really updated the surround sound speaker options for any of these lines to reflect the type of speakers needed now for object-based surround like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. A few years ago, you wanted your surround speakers to throw sound off to the sides, but now, with object-based surround, we want the drivers to be directional and aimed directly at the primary seats. This is where we see the 301 and 302 being such great surround speakers. There is a whole universe of home theater lovers who desire the sound of Focal speakers, but want to put together a high channel count, object-based surround system. We feel the drivers used in the 301 and 302 are so close and in some cases identical to the tech in all the Focal series that these would be a perfect choice for those surround channels. Now, if you are thinking about these or any other home theater speakers, you should know that our experts at Audio Advice are here to help. You can start with our free home theater design tool to lay out your entire dream theater, then talk or chat with our passionate home theater enthusiasts to design the perfect theater for your room and budget. Now, another reason we really like these Focal speakers is their mounting flexibility. They come with a template to mark the mounting holes perfectly to get these up onto your wall. Just be sure to level it, tape it up with painter's tape, check for level again, and mark your holes. Once you properly attach the brackets, the speaker hangs right on the wall. But Focal was very clever in designing them to protrude from the wall just under 3/16 of an inch. This means if you are in a setting where it's not possible to have a professional run hidden speaker wires in your wall, you can simply have the speaker wire hang down and it will not interfere with the way the speaker mounts to the brackets. Now, the mounting holes will be easy to patch should you need to move them, and this gives you the flexibility to put them exactly where they need to go in your room. But let's say you do not want any holes in your walls, yet you want to position your bed layer surround speakers perfectly. Well, then you can simply purchase the optional on-wall stand that will put these at an ideal height and allow you to position them almost flush with your wall. Now that you hopefully understand how these can help you assemble an awesome Focal-based surround sound system, let's take a look at the actual tech that makes them sound so good. If you have ever seen a Focal speaker, you've probably noticed their famous inverted tweeter. These have been around for over 20 years, and Focal continues to improve them. As a matter of fact, the tweeter in this 300 series is a direct descendant of the beryllium tweeter used in their Ultimate Utopia series. The tweeter in the 300 series is called their TNF tweeter. This inverted design gives you the advantage of minimal directionality. This means you will get all of its sweet and extended sound even way off axis. Focal uses a memory material called Poron to connect the inverted dome to its supports. They developed this idea for the Utopia and found it reduced distortion by a factor of 3 in the critical 2 to 3K region. They also designed a waveguide for the tweeter that gives an incredibly flat response with 0.5 dB across its entire operating range, which is pretty amazing. For those of you not into the tech as deep as we are, the result is a sound that is just super smooth and easy to the ears, yet very light and delicate. Imagine hearing the brushstrokes on a cymbal and feeling like you are actually in the room with it. Focal has also been a pioneer in using natural materials. Back in 2013, they unveiled a new Flax membrane made from flax fibers. And guess what country is one of the largest producers of flax? Yes, it's France. Now, compared to cones made from synthetic fibers or petrochemicals, flax does have a lot of advantages. The ideal mid-range and woofer cone would be very rigid, light, and have great damping. Focal worked on a way to sandwich high-quality French flax fiber between two thin sheets of glass fiber. Since flax is a hollow material, it is very light and has low elasticity. This new design met all three criteria for the perfect driver, and Focal has been using this sandwich technique ever since. Now you might be asking yourself, if this tech is so good, why don't we see it from other companies? Well, we might eventually, but for now, Focal holds the patent on it. Now, the mid-bass drivers in the 300 series, all of these use this flax-based sandwich design, and the sound is fast, natural, and without any coloration. Now, let's examine the two different models to help you decide which might best suit your system and your needs. The Focal 301 is 31.5 inches tall with an angled top and bottom, where you will find a port on each one that helps provide substantial bass response for a speaker this size. The other dimensions are about 6 inches wide and about 3.5 inches deep. These use the famous Focal inverted dome tweeter flanked by two of the 4-inch mid-bass drivers. The -3 dB down point for these is 53 Hz, which is incredible for something this size. Now the 301 sensitivity is 87 dB, which puts them in the medium sensitivity range. The 302 looks like they just added two more of the 4-inch drivers in a taller, roughly 49-inch cabinet, but it's actually a pretty big upgrade. The woofers are crossed over, so two of them cover the mid-range and the other two cover the bass. This buys you far better mid-range performance. The 3 dB down point for these is 50 Hz, so while you get a little more deep bass, the bigger deal is the mid-range. You also gain quite a bit in sensitivity, with the 302 being 91 dB, making them far easier to drive and more dynamic. And like we said earlier, either of these will work great on that Focal stand. So where do these fit? If your focus is on putting together a great, somewhat stealthy stereo system, we would highly recommend the 302. Even if you are planning on adding a sub, its mid-range is just far superior. If you are doing 3 of these models with a TV, an interesting combination would be to put 2 of the 301 flanking the sides of the TV, as they will be about the same height as most popular sized TVs, with a single 302 above or below for the center channel, where you will really appreciate the mid-range improvement. For TVs larger than 85 inches, 3 of the 302s would certainly look like the best match from an appearance standpoint, and they would sound much better. For bed layer surround sound use, it gets a little bit more complicated here. The 301 costs less and goes plenty low to handle the typical 80 Hz crossover used for most surround speakers. You can buy 4 of these for surrounds for just a little more than 2 of the 302s. But the 302 is more dynamic and has the power to fill up a really large room so much better. For an average sized home theater, we think the 301 is the best bet, but if you have a larger space and or like to watch a lot of dynamic, explosive content, the 302 would be preferred. Or if you enjoy multi-channel music listening, the 302 would also be a much better choice as well. Now I hope that you can see why we think these two Focal on-wall models can solve many audio and home theater situations. For those of you looking to put together a serious Focal stereo system and also do object-based surround, they will allow you to do this and feel great about how well they will match your main speakers. The stand mount also allows you to position these in the perfect locations and not have to worry about running wires inside of your walls. Plus, they look cool and have the sound that so many people love about Focal. Now, if you have further questions, contact our experts via chat, phone, or email, or simply visit one of our world-class showrooms to experience turntables, speakers, projectors, TVs, and everything in between for yourself before you make a purchase. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.